This Lexus IS350 pulled up to the shop with a goal in mind. He wanted something that was subtle at first glance, but bold in details when you look again. He didn't want a full wrap, but more of a design, so... boom. Redbull livery. Let's not waste any time and get right to it with prepping the panels, disassembly, and mocking up the layout. One of the hardest door handles I've ever taken off because you don't typically even have to take door panels off. First door card had to come off. This has got the IS300 sticky dash problems, so I got a bunch of stuff on my hands. I already cleaned it off, but this was all from my hands. Take this off, undo all of this, unscrew that, unscrew that. I can't get to this screw for the actual lock cylinder. So you have to take off this inner panel, unscrew the lock cylinder, unplug it. It's just in there loose. Undo that, and then you can finally get to that screw, which lets you get this out. I don't know, I just did a whole lot of yap. No idea if I'm keeping that in. Lovely. Now I'm actually gonna skip that stripe because it connects the two and I need to finalize where that location is to put that on. All right, this side is now done. There's a fine line to ride with liveries between cringe or like a drift build or time attack where it doesn't matter if you're obnoxious, or a street build where a livery can oftentimes ruin the car. This is so nice. So now I'm gonna throw all that away, move these tools to that side. Maybe I'll time lapse it this time. Okay, not gonna lie, my done it 2 times self is very mad at my done it for the first time self. I just did that in 3 minutes. It wasn't that hard to do the second time. Now I'm gonna clean this whole side, clay bar it all, wipe it down, and then we'll be good to start going. Notice something funny on this side. It's just a little piece of really old like PPF. I mean, it's barely doing anything. Clearly it didn't catch whatever that was. That was an absolute pain to remove. Now I gotta get the adhesive off. Thumb it up. And remember, we cleaned our door jambs. Don't forget cleaning door jambs sometimes. Some people do, and it can cause some issues. Oh, that's how you do it. Boom. Oh. I'll repeat that process for all the other decals. Measure, mock up with the tape, install the thing, peel the paper, cut it if I need to, and that's all. I'm gonna do this whole rest of the side off camera. I'm gonna lock in. I'll see you in just a bit when this is done. Everything's back together, and this thing's done. What up?
What's good, bro? Oh my god. I just saw it a little. Dude, that is sick, bro. Bro, it just flows so good. Dude, even here, you got it clean on here. It like curves in on the gas cap. It doesn't even look like it's cut, bro.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it, bro. I love it, bro.
Let's go.
Wrapline Garage just saved my car, bro.